Ka All Meghalaya SSA School Teachers Association ka bala pelong ya ka Jingngewsih Hamadan Malki la jan Shisnam bandawai ka Jingpynslem ka Tulop Arsha ka ba ka la Pynpaw ya ka Jingpynslem Halor ka rai ka bala mi ha ka Jingelang badang shen bat ka Sorkar. U General Secretary uba wan pendap hi lapang ulayatu hakila patai khubor bawat hadian bala dep banyakran bun sin ke Sorkar kampat le AA hadu menta. Ulayatu ru bana kaliang u Commissioner bat Secretary Ketenat Education ula pentikna ba onsale AA Halor ka nikaman. Hadian bala kut ke dorbar senrai jong ka yeng dorbar tau an ke jela.
I would say that at this point of time we are not very happy what the outcome of the meeting. Because we've had a lot of meeting. It's almost been a year since we've had postponed our agitation there in Malki ground. And still we have many rounds of talk, but no action has been taken till now. So only discussion and discussion and discussion. At this point of time, we need that something the department or the government should do regarding with our demand, with the enhancements of our salary.